Hey guys, this is Aaron Lewis, and today I will be doing a quick unboxing of this Aqua One Strip Glo light. Now this is the tropical 60cm version. I also have the Plant Glo one that is currently on the tank behind me, so I thought I'd get a second one to plop on the tank. They come in tropical, sunlight, and the Plant Glo one. So let's get into unboxing this. I will be using another phone to film a close-up of me unboxing it, so if you're wondering why I'm holding this phone plus filming off that one, that's why. Just opening the box here, slide it out, you'll be greeted with the light itself, which as I said is the 60cm variety of it. And then in the light it comes with the legs of the tank, which just attach using the little metal bars, which they should be here. Yep, here they are. And this is the power brick for it that plugs into your wall socket. So let's get setting this up. Actually going to move this and try and do it one-handed. It's probably not going to turn out the best, but it's all about trying to grow with the channel. I see lots of people doing it one-handed, so let's give it a try. As you can see, they're very thin. What would that be? I'd say maybe like 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters thin. And they actually don't produce much heat, which I find actually amazing considering when you get the bulkier lights, they produce so much heat, it's not funny. But these, they hardly get hot at all. So you take these little legs, where's the pins that are over here? Here we go. So again, remember I'm doing this one-handed, so don't hate on me. And you put the shortest end into the leg bit here. Okay. And these act as like an extender for the light. So if you want the light to be extended on the tank, you just extend them out like such. I'll show you guys once it's all in, if it wants to cooperate.
A few moments later.
There we have it. Both are up, and then they also come with these little screws which screw through on the inside here, and this is what holds it securely to the glass. Why aren't you going in, buddy? Now I'm just going to be placing it on the tank. Now remember, using these screws on both sides, you use them to tighten it to the aquarium glass, okay? So I'm going to be trying to do it while filming with this camera too, but it's probably not going to end out that way. So I'm trying to avoid dropping the cord in the water. Alright, so just like that is being placed on. So these little metal brackets here are so you can extend them out if you have a different sized aquarium. I believe, judging by the box here, so you can go to 59 to 67 centimeters. So this tank is 60 centimeters across. So now I'm going to plug it in and we will turn it on to see how it looks and whether it changes the dynamics and the brightness of the aquarium. Now this one at the back here is set to max brightness. So this is what it looks like using one light, and that is the Plant Glo light, remember. I'm just going to use this little button here. You'll see at the top, it's just like a touch button. So you just touch it and it will turn on the light. Do you see that? Now if you touch it 3 times, it will max out all the brightness and all the lights on the light strip itself. As you can see, that is max brightness. And I believe if you hold the button down, it will actually dim the light, just like that. And then to turn the light back up, you hold it down and it'll increase brightness again. It is actually extremely bright, that light. I think I actually prefer it better than the Plant Glo light. Here, I'll show you the difference. So this is it with the light on, and that's it with the light off. Now I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but without that light on, it actually doesn't bring out as much of the colors in the plants and the fish. So I'm actually really impressed with the tropical light over the Plant Glo one. Now the difference between the lights is just what color bulbs they have in each individual LED strip. With the Plant Glo one, it's specifically designed to help plants grow, but with the tropical one, it's more designed just for a tropical aquarium, to bring out those colorful fish. So I think that's probably why the tropical one does bring out the different colors in all the fish. I'm going to switch it back on, back to max brightness. Wow, I just can't believe what a difference it makes. I'm so impressed with it. Now this one at the back here, I may as well tell you guys now, this is the Plant Glo one, but this light doesn't, the light doesn't actually work properly. So this button doesn't work at all, and I can't be bothered to take it back to the store and get it replaced. But practically, if I want to switch it off over night time, I actually need to unplug it from underneath the unit, which is a bit of a pain, but at the end of the day, it saves me having to go back to the store and replace it all and that rigmarole. That is all I have for you today in this video. It was just a quick unboxing of the Tropical Strip Glo light here from Aqua One. This is a 60cm version, remember? And remember, I also have the Plant Glo one too. So make sure if you guys enjoyed this video, you give me a big thumbs up. Go hit that subscribe button for more content just like this if you already haven't, and stay tuned for my next video. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.